Yeah, man. Hey, folks. This is Roly Platt, and I'm Carlos Del Junco, and I had an idea of doing a workshop about practicing, and call it the practice of practice, and just to throw around ideas and demonstrate a few different things. Roly, what are you gonna?
Just to discuss how we got started, what's changed over the years of how we practice, how we process things. I think, is that fair to say, Carlos?
Yeah, I mean, I think we both started out similarly but different. I think there's no one way to practice, and that's part of the reason for getting Roly involved. I mean,
You
Roly's
mean you mean you've been practicing this whole time? Oh my God!
I took some of my very first harmonica lessons with you, Roly.
And I purposely didn't show him anything for a good reason.
What kind of harps do you use?
Seidel,
Seidel.
1847s.
Can I try that? Can you just hand me your harp for a second?
Well, I'll try. This is going to be a little tough.
Okay, wait a second. Okay.
Well, that doesn't look right.
What changed it into a golden melody? How the hell did that happen?
That's amazing, Carlos.
The miracle of Zoom.
Thank you very much, folks.
Anyway, we hope to see you there.